Good morning, New York. Thank you, Eric, Jim, Julie, and the whole Finovate team for all the work you've done to make this show happen. We are excited to be here today to announce our innovative platform featuring a new evolution in online investing. We are breaking down the barriers that keep investors from earning the high returns generated by rental real estate. We now provide the platform, the property, and the expertise needed to make this lucrative form of investing available to everyone. I'm Linda Schichton, CEO and founder. This is Marcus Zeller, co-founder and CTO. We are CKMack. Historically, the wealthy in America have either made or held their money in real estate. It is a stable, insurable asset and fills a basic human need. Rental property cash flow equals steady, reliable returns every month. Investors are placing considerable money into lender-required 30% down payments to snap up rentals all across the country because rentals pay. The property we acquire comes from several sources. We'll buy bulk REOs, we'll buy it on the courthouse steps, we'll buy it from Fannie and Freddie and HUD. Most investors have been locked out of the rental market for a variety of reasons. In addition to the large cash down payment, lenders are also requiring proof of significant cash reserves. Learning the market is hard and it takes time. Making a mistake can be financially devastating. The higher returns generated by rental real estate go to the few investors who have overcome these challenges. Most other investors place their money into lower paying options or higher risk bets. CKMack has solved these challenges. Investors can now just say no to low returns. It's easy to open a CKMack account, transfer in funds, and end the search for better earnings. As an added bonus feature, investors get the fun of shopping for income property cash flow no matter where they are. The property you see on our site is already rented and making money. Investors can relax because each property has a reserve account for repairs and maintenance, which gets added to each and every month. Each property is fully insured against loss and liability. As you know, a key consideration in any investment is principal preservation, and we at CKMack take that very seriously. While no investment is entirely risk-free, we mitigate risk to the greatest extent possible. Each property is carefully vetted for condition and location in order to optimize rental income. CKMack is not intended for real estate investors. We are not a replacement for traditional real estate ownership. Our target clients are those seeking lower risk and higher returns than they are now earning. We are for those who may not have considered real estate before. We are for those who have avoided it for fear of making an expensive mistake. We are even for those who think investing in the real estate market is a very bad idea right now. For a low minimum investment, investors can now diversify into real estate rental cash flow and start earning impressive, reliable returns. Personal investor dashboards provide the ability to manage overall portfolio performance and dig deep into individual property details. There are alternatives. Ally Bank is offering 1.04% on a one-year CD with a minimum investment of $2,500. Investing that same amount at CKMack could bring in over $200 more at the end of the year. Just like in the stock market, diversification is encouraged. Investors are advised to spread their dollars over an entire portfolio of property. On the dashboard, you may notice a Sell Now button, which is grayed out. While earnings can be cashed out at any time, we are asking our initial investors to agree to hold their investment for a period of 12 months. After that, that Sell Now button should be active. In beta, we will be operating under Title II of the new Jobs Act. We will finally be able to advertise to accredited and institutional investors. Rent as securities is the new big idea. Large financial institutions in this room right now are working on rent as securities. Rent is also being bundled into bonds and is currently in the ratings process. Our revolutionary platform is leading the way by making this hot new product easily accessible and available to everyone. That is the basic idea of what CKMack has to offer. There are no costs to join. There are no fees eating into investor principal, and there is certainly no dealing with tenants. CKMack offers a transparent process and a simple user interface. We are all about a low-risk, low-minimum investment with solid returns. Thanks for your time and attention this morning. I know you will all have plenty of questions and comments. We are eager to hear your ideas on this. Please come visit us at our table. We'd love to shake your hand, answer those questions, and show you some of our other cool features. If you are interested in partnering with us for REO bulk sales, for a mobile transfer payment solution, for institutional or venture capital, you know where to find us. We're CKMack, and we thank you.